What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell, so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, the Hussle family, King Hussle crazy reactions, and turn motivation into means. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. All right, got a lot of fake accounts out there. A lot of people keep making fake King Hussle accounts, scamming people, and y'all still falling for it, which I don't know how. So please, get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see this face. Make sure you're doing legit business and you're getting what you paid for, right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. So today I'm gonna be dropping some quick gems. This video number 3 of the 24-hour video marathon that I got going on. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the top 5 ways on how you can make $10,000 quick, fast, and easy, all right? If you're self-employed, entrepreneur, it don't matter what you're doing, but these are the top 5 ways, if not more ways, to make $10,000. And I'm gonna explain everything so you can have a good understanding on how to really start making money in the world, all right? Because it's not really about what you're doing, it's how you're doing it. And that's what a lot of people fail to realize. Everybody wants to make a quick 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90,000, $100,000. But they don't know how to do it. A lot of people see a lot of people doing this and doing that. You got the people, like when the PPP loan came out and people was getting the money, you had everybody want to do a PPP loan. When the EDD was out, everybody wanted to do an EDD. When the CPNs, everybody was getting CPNs, everybody wanted a CPN. Anything that comes out or anything that's occurring that multiple people are doing in the world that's getting the money, eventually everybody's going to want to do it. And that's because everybody in the world is monkey see, monkey do. It's a lot of percent of the people in the world that are followers. That's why you see everybody wearing the same thing. Everybody want to do the same thing, because if they're doing it, somebody else want to be as cool as them. Hold on, give me a second. Wow, how to handle that business real quick. Boom. So it's a lot of different ways for people to make money. You just got to actually know what you're doing. A lot of people don't know what they're doing. A lot of people are monkey see, monkey do. A lot of people want to do what everybody else is doing in the world. A lot of people want to just, do things. So today I'm going to be talking about how to make some ways to make $10,000 quick, fast, and hurry. So when it comes down to making money, like I said, it's not about what you're doing, it's how you're doing it. And let's say you got so many people selling hair, right? You got a lot of women out there selling hair. It's a lot of women out there selling the same hair. But this person is making more money selling hair than this person. And this person is making less money than this person, but they selling the same thing. Or this person is having a higher success rate selling the product than this person. It's about how you're selling it. It doesn't matter what you're selling. It's about how you're selling. So if this person has more information about this product than this person, then they're going to make more money. They're going to sell it faster. If this person knows what to say to customers to be able to get whatever they need. So like, let me say like, oh, if you're selling hair, oh, this is the best hair, this is the finest hair, this is this, this is that. Then which is going to make the customer want to buy the hair, they're going to buy the hair faster. But if this customer is selling the same hair and don't know nothing about nothing, they don't know the ocean wave, body wave, the color texture, 613 frontals, none of that, they're not going to be able to sell the hair. You got so many people that want to I don't know. There's so many different products out here that people are selling that it's almost impossible not to be making money in today's time and day. You just got to actually want to learn how to make some money and go out there and get some money. So one way I can say for you to start making a quick, fast $10,000 being self-employed is gaining knowledge about some type of product that so many people want and need, right? So, for instance, I know about credit. Everybody wants to learn credit. Everybody wants to build credit. Everybody wants to leverage credit to get the things that they need. So if you're somebody who knows credit, you're somebody who knows how to rebuild your credit, clean your credit, add trade lines, boost credit, know websites and things like that, credit dispute letters. Now you're in position to help many people in the world who want to build their credit, clean their credit. You're in position to teach them how to do it and get paid for it. And teaching credit lessons, this field is not cheap. It costs. It costs for trade lines. It costs for everything that you want to do in this world. It costs what it's gonna cost. Point blank. Period. Nothing is free. So if you personally got letters, dispute letters for credit bureaus, know how to get inquiries off, know how to get late payments, bankruptcies, collections, know how to add trade lines, AU accounts, know how to set up all the credit, you can make $10,000 in a month, in a week, as long as you know how to present and promote your product and your brand. Point blank. Period. All right. Another thing people can be making $10,000 with is let me see. You could be a barber. Go get you some clippers. Go get you some liners, and watch 360 Jeezy videos all day, all night, and I guarantee get you a mannequin, start practicing, and you'll be the perfect barber. You can charge $100 a head, do 10 heads a day, and make $1,000 a day. In 2 weeks, you will make $15,000, if not a little less, if not more. Easy, perfect hustle. You work on your own time. You schedule your own people. You want to do what you want to do on your own. All right. So being a barber is another way that you can start making $10,000 all profit in a month, in a week. Another thing that you could be doing for making all profit is landscaping. Landscaping is at an all-time high, depending on what state you are in, depending on where you are, whatever climate you're in. That's a lot of where I'm at. It's landscaping is at an all-time high. You gotta almost get your grass cut every other day, and you gotta blow, and the yard is big and all that. So if you cutting houses, if you got a block that got 20 houses on it, and you every house front and back, you landscaping for $100. That means you cutting the grass, cleaning up, trimming the corners, just basic landscaping, front and back, $100, and you got 20 houses on one block. What's 20 times 100? That's almost what? Is that $2,000? You got $2,000 real quick off that one block. You do that for 5 more blocks, that's $10,000 you just made cutting grass and landscaping, all on your own time. A lot of people take these jobs and these hustles for granted, but it's a lot of people out there that don't take these jobs and hustles for granted, and they literally make a lot of money on a consistent basis doing these type of jobs. Another way that you can start making money, $10,000 a month, if not a week, is YouTube. Start you a YouTube channel. YouTube is a platform where you can create your own channel, just like you was watching BET, MTV, Cartoon Network, Nickelodeon, NBA TV. This is your own channel. So what are you going to produce on your channel, on your network, to entertain the people? And there's so many different videos that you can create. There's a lot of people out there that worry about, oh, I don't have the right camera, or oh, I don't have the right backdrop, or oh, I don't have this, I don't have that. And I tell everybody this: stop worrying about what you don't have and worry about what you could have, because at the end of the day, I don't record all my videos on the best Sony camera or Red camera. I don't have the best backdrops. I'm as raw as there is possible. I get up, some knowledge come to my head, I turn on my phone, and I get the recording just to give you guys this information. So a lot of people don't understand. It's even people out there that will pay you money just to create their YouTube channel for them. If you got people paying you $200-300 to create a YouTube channel for them, you gotta think about it. 5 people pay you $200, that's $1,000. three people pay you $300, that's $900, but you can round it up to $1,000. Do that every day of the week. You almost got $7,000 you just made that week just from creating YouTube channels for people, because you presented your job, what you're offering to the people, your product, and what they're seeing, the perception, and you're promoting it, and they want it from you. They feel that you can create them a YouTube channel and get them going. You got the banners, you got the main picture, you got even dropped a couple videos for them. It's a lot of different ways to be making money. I'm trying to tell y'all another way that you could be making money is let me see, because it's a lot of different ways. I'm trying to think of the most easiest ways. Another way you can be making a lot of money, $10,000, $30,000, $40,000, $50,000, is literally starting your own moving business. If somebody moving every day, all day, and there's somebody every day looking for somebody to come move their house. And then you got people even moving out of town. So if you got your moving business, you figure out, you don't even got to buy a box truck. You can literally go to U-Haul or Enterprise and rent a box truck, go move that person's house from house to house. And out-of-state moving is at an all-time high. Some places start at $6,000 to $8,000. And that's just the start. That's the base price. And then you add on how many bed sets, how many boxes, how much you're adding, the distance on where you're going, and all that. So if you somebody moving from a state to another state, you can be almost coming out $15,000 just to move. You want to move somebody's whole house to another state, you can literally be spending $15,000. I paid $12,000, and that's what gave me the light bulb above my head to start making quick, fast money. So if you got you 2 friends, 2 nephews, anybody that you know, 2 or 3 people that you know are hard working, you say, hey, let's start making this money. We're going to start a moving company. We're going to promote it. We're going to start off local. We're going to start moving local houses. And then we're going to start expanding. So every time we move a local house, we're going to take pictures. We're going to get videos. We're going to start promoting on our Facebook, on our Instagram, on YouTube. Because like I said, moving is universal. It's worldwide. So if you promoting your moving business on YouTube and somebody in California finds you and they want to move, they see your services and they intrigued with your services and they want to move to Las Vegas or something, and you could charge them $15,000. You could charge them however much that you want to go. You could tell them that with a moving rate from state starts from $8,000. How many bedroom sets do you have? How many TVs do you have? How many couches do you have? How many kitchen sets do you have? How many boxes do you have? You start asking stuff like that, add it in the miles, and get your price like that. It's a lot of money being made with this moving business right now, and a lot of people are sleeping on it. If you could 3 trips at $10,000, just moving somebody else $30,000, how can you beat that in one load? It's the same as any other trucking business. It's just you're moving the house. It's a lot of different businesses. It's a lot of different things that you could be doing to make $10,000 quick, fast, and hurry in a week, in a month, however fast you need to make it. You just got to always remember, if you see somebody else doing something to make some money, how can you do it and do it better? It's not about what you do. It's about how you do it. As long as you do it the right way, you'll be successful with it. And that's why knowledge is powerful, because the more knowledge you gain about something, the more you'll know about it, and the better you'll be able to present it to the consumer. All right. So make sure y'all tapping in on them gems I just dropped right there. You can run up a quick bag, a quick $50,000, $60,000 with this moving business for sure. Tap in there, get some gems on that, because I promise you, a lot of people moving every day, and a lot of people need their house moved, and they paying, all right? So even if you come up, scrape up some money, buy your own U-Haul truck, so now you ain't got to keep renting U-Haul trucks and Enterprise and box trucks, that's even better, right? So tap into these gems that I just gave you. Quick, fast ways to make $10,000 in a week or in a month, it don't matter, but it's going to make you some money. So make sure y'all tapping into that video. Make sure y'all getting them gems, man. Shout out to all my subscribers, new subscribers, old fans, new supporters, old supporters, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me keep going. Y'all motivate me keep dropping sauce, and y'all motivate me keep y'all entertained, all right? So make sure y'all tap in. Make sure y'all continue to like and subscribe. Also, anybody out there looking to get credit lessons, you want me to help you clean and build your credit, help you add trade lines, teach you how to do all that, get lines of credit, loans, credit cards, it's going to be $600. But if you want me to do it for you, it's going to be start at $1,500. All right, so make sure you tap in on that new age credit repair lessons. Also, make sure y'all can get y'all limited gems. FaceTime one-on-one, $1,200. You can get everything that you need to get. Unlimited gems. Whatever you need, I'm going to give it to you. I'm going to teach you, all right? You can learn about CPNs, passive income, how to make $1,000 a day off not Instagram, but social media, don't matter. How to invest, how to be blessed, all that good stuff like that. Any method out the method book, all that good stuff like that. So make sure y'all tapping in on the Unlimited Gems, 1200 FaceTime one-on-ones. Also, make sure y'all come to get y'all mentorships. I'm taking people under my wing and making money with people, making money with y'all. So you'll get all the Unlimited Gems, plus you'll get DW information, and we're going to start making these YouTube automation channels, all right? As long as you put in the work, as long as you put in the same effort, as long as you got the same grind that I got to start to drop videos and content on that channel, we're going to be good. So if the channel start making 20,000, you're going to get 10, I get 10. Easy as that, all right? So make sure y'all tapping in on that. Make sure y'all booking y'all seats right now on the crypto tour, in-person Unlimited Gems, Miami, Florida, South Beach, May 26th through the 29th. Memorial Day weekend, I'm invading. So make sure y'all tap in on that. $3,500, $500 deposit. The rest of the money will be in person. We're going to be on the yacht. We're going to be shooting videos. We're going to be running up a bag, making money. We're going to be having a ball. We're going to have a good time. You might end up getting a chain. You might end up getting a watch. You might end up getting something. You might end up getting signed. You never know. So make sure y'all tapping in, booking y'all seats. 10 slots available. $3,500. In-person Limited Gems. Crypto tour will be in Miami, Florida. Memorial Day weekend. South Beach. I'm invading. Be there or be square. All right? And make sure y'all, I'm doing a deal right now. If you want to learn how to make thousands of dollars off social media or daily, tap in. $200 FaceTime one-on-ones. I'm going to teach you how to make thousands of dollars a day off social media. No questions asked. I'm going to get you together, all right? And still look for people for the production company, actors, rappers, models, singers, content creators, producers, cameraman. Tap in, all right? Music reviews is $200. You come trying to get your chain, watch, and start making money with your music. We're going to run it up. We're going to build. You don't got $200 to invest in yourself. Why should I invest $200,000 into your music career, all right? Make it make sense. Beautiful ladies out there, any models, you looking to work, you ready to elevate, build your brand, you got a good head on your shoulders, you got a good attitude, can't be corrected, you can't be directed, all right? So teamwork, make the dream work. Let's get this money. Let's elevate. Let's push out this content. Videographers out there, anybody out there with a good camera, 4K or better, you shoot the video, you go back home and you edit the video, you got good masking, 4K camera better, FX effects, transitions, all that, tap in with me, all right? If you in Houston, Texas, surrounding areas, Texas, or can travel, tap in. Content equals views, views equals money. Easy as that. So the more content we create, the more views we're going to get, the more money we're going to make, all right? So teamwork, make the dream work. Let's make it make sense. Let's run it up. Let's get a bag. It's your boy, King Hussle. Y'all know how to get down to any of these videos. I'll see you at the next. Peace.